Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of elegant table decor with the best wooden place cards available in the market. The Wettin 24Pcs Rustic wooden place card holders and 30Pcs craft table name place cards. Crafted with attention to detail, these rustic wooden place card holders are the epitome of charm and functionality. Each set comes with 24 wooden holders and 30 craft table name place cards, making it a comprehensive solution for your table setting needs. What sets these place card holders apart is their natural wooden style. Made from real wood with bark accents, they exude a rustic atmosphere that's perfect for a variety of occasions, from weddings and bridal showers to Thanksgiving dinners and Christmas parties. Whether you're organizing a woodland-themed baby shower or a casual dinner party with friends, these place card holders add a touch of elegance to any event. Plus, the included craft paper place cards, adorned with white laurel leaves, perfectly complement the wooden holders. But it's not just about looks, these place card holders are also practical. Despite their mini size, they offer sturdy support for cards and pictures, thanks to their smooth surface. You can use them to display table numbers, guest names, place cards, food labels, and more. And with 6 extra place cards included in the set, you have room for any last-minute changes or errors. From wedding receptions to birthday parties, these versatile holders have you covered. In conclusion, the Wettin 24Pcs Rustic wooden place card holders and 30Pcs craft table name place cards are a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their table decor. With their natural charm, sturdy construction, and versatility, they're sure to be a hit at your next event. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.